What's going on, everybody? Michael here with Square Shot Photos. If you're not doing so already, hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the like and also share this video, comments, that way you can help out your friends. Help out your friends? Help out your friends with what? Well, so they can get the inside knowledge to what we're gonna be unboxing today. What I'm gonna be showing y'all today is perfect for just about anybody. If you're a real estate agent, if you're a sales manager, a salesman, if you're an influencer, if you got air in your lungs and a heart that beats, what I've got inside of this little baggie right here is gonna be great for you. So without further ado, let's get to the unveiling or unboxing or whatever we're gonna call it. I know what you're doing. You're probably asking yourself, wondering, pondering, and thinking, man, what was that coolness that I just saw? Was it made of gold? And the answer to your question, yes. Yes, it was. 24 karat gold, as a matter of fact. Duh. What I'm holding in my hands right now is a 24 karat gold plated business card. It's a one and done. You don't have to keep on ordering more and more and more over and over and over, spending hundreds and thousands of dollars like a lot of people did in the past with business cards. With this, not only do you make a lasting impression with whoever you meet, you're able to transfer more data because, I mean, let's face it, with a traditional business card, yeah, I guess you could put your Facebook link and I guess you could put your YouTube video link and all this other stuff on there, but I mean, let's face it, number one, business cards, typically, if they're cluttered, it doesn't look professional. And number two, let's just hope that they still have. I've personally had business cards in my wallet, in my pocket, that eventually just somehow, I don't know, grew legs and walked away because it came a point in time where I needed it. I looked for it and then, man, I've even had customers in the past tell me, man, I wanted to reach out to you. I just had to come up here and see you because I lost your card. I was gonna pass your info on to my friend, but I lost your card. Story of my life, right? Well, the cool thing with these is you can customize what information you give to people. So let's say you're at work and you only want to pass on your work email and your work website, right? You could do that. Let's say that you get off the clock and you want to go out and now you want to start sharing your TikTok, your Twitch, your Facebook, your Instagram, all that other good stuff. You could do that too, all off of the same card. Now, the person that receives the information doesn't have to have an app on their phone. How cool is that? They don't even have to have NFC, near field communication. How cool is that? Now, why did I bring up NFC? Because the easiest way to use this card is just to tap somebody's phone and wirelessly all your data is transmitted over for them to easily save into their phone book or share with others. How neat is that? Now, if they don't have NFC, which 9 out of 10 phones do, in 5 years from now, more likely than not, every phone in most people's pockets is gonna have NFC. There's a QR code that comes with this. It's very easy to set up. And if you go in the description right now, you get 20% off your order when you use that link and you use promo code squareshotphotos. So don't forget to check that link out. It's gonna save you some money and you're gonna love this. Now, if gold's not your thing, they also have metal options that come in colors like silver, black, rose gold. They also have plastic options, pop socket options. The options are really limitless. And the cool thing about all this is you can customize all of it. All you have to do is after you place your order, reach out to customer service with your receipt number, let them know, and they'll help you out from there. All right, cool. Now, whenever you get yours in, all you got to do is just click on the Social Master app. I've already set mine up to have all my information on there right here. You click over on this setting right here, click activate.